Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 28th of February 2023. Indian equity markets closed on a negative note today. Nifty opened slightly down around 17,383, and then went on to make a high of 17,440. After that it continued its downslide and failed to recover later. At the time of close, Nifty closed around 17,300, which is not a good sign. Similarly, Sensex shed 326 points to give a closing of 58,962. Talking about sectors, some sectors ended in green, with Nifty Media emerging as top gainer with gains of 2.46%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are ADANI Enterprises, ADANI Ports and Asian Paints. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 14.9%, 5.11% and 3.02% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Cipla, Hindalco and Dr. Reddy. They fell within the range of 2.42% to 4.67% respectively. For the corporate segment we have Yogesh Patel has resigned as Chief Financial Officer of the company, to pursue his professional interests outside the Mahindra Group. Yogesh Patel will be relieved of his duties on March 10 this year. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has given its approval for incurring expenditure on pre-investment activities, and various clearances for Dibang multi-purpose project, in Arunachal Pradesh for 1,600 crore rupees. MASTEK has signed a strategic partnership with NetAil to help e-commerce and omni-channel retailers optimize their retail value chain and thereby attract, convert, and retain digital consumers. FILATEX Fashions on March 2 is going to consider to explore the option of acquisition of a company in the same sector or otherwise in order to achieve inorganic growth. ADANI Group on Monday denied a media report that said the conglomerate was in talks with global credit funds to raise up to $400 million in debt against some of its Australian assets, calling it totally false and untrue. WIPRO Limited on Monday announced 4 strategic global business lines as it looks to deepen alignment with clients' evolving business needs and tap emerging opportunities in high-growth market segments. GIC Housing Finance Company has received board approval for allotment of 32,500 non-convertible debentures with 8.7% per annum interest, having a face value of 1 lakh rupee each, amounting to 325 rupees crore on private placement basis. For stocks to watch, we have Life Insurance Corporation looks good on current market price of 578.40. It can be bought at 575 rupees, keeping target of 650 rupees with stop loss of 525. Torrent Power looks good on current market price of 506.35. It can be bought at 500 rupees, keeping target of 620 rupees with stop loss of 435. Foseco India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 2,195 points with a change of 10.03% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.7 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 2070.05, which is a good indication for the investors. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 65. An RSI of below 50 may indicate that the stock is in oversold region. Uflex Limited in daily time frame is trading at 378.4 points with a change of 7%, and is trading with a net volume of around 2.4 million shares. The share price is trading below its moving average 443. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 19.11. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.